This is one of the rarest real estate opportunities on the waterfront in Jupiter. In fact, this property hasn't traded in over 45 years. This property is unique because it's located on a peninsula where there's water in the front and the back. Did you know that in the last year, there's only been one other property in Jupiter that sold with both water in the front as well as the back? Like I said, these opportunities are rare, and this one can be yours. This may not look like much now, but think about what you can do with this lot. Another unique fact about this property is you can even paddleboard to Jonathan Dickinson State Park. For more information on this lot and its building potential, give me a call.